These are the Dangerous frames, and I will show you how to remove and reinstall the lenses. So to remove the lens, you're going to take the top side of the frame and pull outward while pushing down on the lens with your thumb. You're going to pull and push. It's going to take some force. So again, you're going to pull and push. So to reinstall the lenses, you're going to take this side of the lens into this side of the frame. Make sure that it fits snugly in the grooves. And then you take your thumb and you push, and you take 2 fingers and you push underneath. So you're going to push opposite ways so that the lens bends and you can slide the upper corner into the groove. And then you're going to push this part in so that it clicks. Same thing here. Take this part of the lens and slide it into this part of the grooves. Once you make sure that it's secure, you take your thumb and your 2 fingers and you push opposite directions so that you can slide the corner in and push the exposed parts.